Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Work It Out. This is me Kritika Khitani. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So आज की वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ पार्ट 2 ऑफ कॉलरबोन एक्सरसाइजेस। आपको ये एक्सरसाइजेस एवरी डे फॉलो करनी है अपने रेगुलर वर्कआउट रूटीन के बाद। तो जैसे ही आपका रेगुलर वर्कआउट हो जाए उसके बाद ये एक्सरसाइजेस कीजिए। यू कैन ईदर सिट और डू दीज एक्सरसाइजेस और स्टैंड हाउ एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू गिव दीज एक्सरसाइजेस अ ट्राई। एंड ऑल्सो इसके पहले भी मैंने कॉलरबोन एक्सरसाइजेस पर वीडियो डाला है, आप वो एक्सरसाइजेस भी ये एक्सरसाइजेस के साथ साथ कर सकते हैं एंड दैट वुड बी super duper amazing, and trust me, you are going to see results. So yes, without any further ado, let's work it out. So let's begin with the number 1 exercise. For this you need to rotate your neck, making a semicircle from right to left, then left to right. Continue this for 15 times and make sure that you're doing it very slowly. Do not hurry when you're doing these exercises, and the stretch should be felt in your collarbone area over here. Okay, so let's begin. Relax. Now we begin with the second exercise. For this, first look to your right and move your neck up and down. Let me show you how to do it. Look to your right, look up and down. The stretch should be felt over here. Now look to your left, same way look up and down. The stretch should be felt over here. Now we begin with the third exercise. For this, you just need to rotate your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise for 15 times. But make sure you're doing it very slowly, do not hurry, and stretch to your back as much as possible. Come back. Stretch to your back as much as possible. Come back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Anti-clockwise. 1, stretch to your back, come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now we begin with the fourth exercise. For this, first make a fist. Spread your hands out like this. Now stretch to your back as much as possible, your chest out. Come back. 2, 3, look up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Relax. Now we begin with the fifth and the last exercise. For this, either hold your hands like this to your back or like this. अगर ऐसा possible नहीं है तो अपने हाथ ऐसे पकड़िए अपने पीछे. I'll show it to you how. Like this, and you need to move it up to down, up to down. Slightly look up and down. I'll now just show it to you from the front to your back. Your head slightly up. Now move your hands up and down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Relax. This is it. Just follow all these exercises along with the previous collarbone exercises, and trust me, you're super duper good to go. So make sure that you give all these exercises a try, and आपको ये exercises अपने workout routine के बाद ही करनी है, because उसका effect अमेजिंग रहता है. बिकॉज आपका बॉडी का फैट बर्न होता है, तो उससे ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी होती है आपके कॉलरबोन के विजिबल होने की. सो मेक श्योर कीजिए आप ये अपने रेगुलर वर्कआउट रूटीन के बाद करें. एंड yes, this was it for the video. I really hope you found the video useful. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow Work It Out on Instagram for more regular updates. I am adding the link to the same in the description box below. So yes, do follow me over there, and I will be back super soon with a new video. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.